in her first comment. Do you have her first statement? If you have it, your producers can put it out so you can read it. The first statement she put out.
Okay, so she does say that I refer to publications, blah, 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 that I own 1 million there, and then subsequently millions of CDs which have been stolen from my house. There are noticeable inconsistencies between what is being discussed in the public domain and the thrust of the original complaint on the matter. I'm taking steps to examine the origins of the inconsistencies and will provide a detailed response in the coming days.
And that's what I'm referring to. She referenced that
there is a criminal matter for which she's also a complaint to the police. And so it's...
Of course. So I was just simply telling you that even her very first statement, she referenced inconsistencies.
At the time, the case had already gone to court. She should know that there were inconsistencies.
No, the case that was in court stated 1 million. When issues came out, she was referencing how people were interpreting what was put out. And she said there are inconsistencies in what is being put out and how people understand it. And at the appropriate time, she would come in and provide the details. I think she was referring to the charge sheet, the details on the charge sheet. And that is what the Attorney General is referring to. As far as amending charge sheets, I think that is within her legal rights. Is that not so? Eduji is a lawyer. Eduji, you can educate us. I believe that's within her legal rights to amend charges. I mean, that's absolutely no issues at all. So for me, and that's why I premised my arguments from the very comments that I made, that Ghanaians have every right to query Madam Cecilia Dapaah to tell us where she got the money from. And that is why I agree with the Attorney General that let's find the source of the income. Because once we find the source of the income, then all the hula baloo will come to an end. Because what we are worried about as Ghanaians is how did you get the money? Is that not so? You are a Ghanaian. What are you worried about?
I'm asking questions.
No, you are a Ghanaian also.
I think my worries are not a subject matter for the discussion.
No, your worries are that of Ghanaians. The same...
I'm asking questions.
No,
please don't impugn something on me for which is not true.
I won't impugn it on you. But the general statement is that the general concerns of Ghanaians is that where did she get the money from? So I think by finding where she got the money from, we will get to the root cause of the whole issue. If she got the money through illicit means, if the money is unexplained wealth, as the mandate of the special prosecutor puts out, then we can take her through the appropriate steps, if it includes criminal prosecution or whatever. But unless and until we know how she got the money, we will all be conjecturing.